Hello guys, today I've got Redmi Headphones Neo and I'm going to show you what to do if your headphones keep disconnecting from your phone. Of course I said from your phone, but it doesn't really matter if it's your phone or your laptop, the process is the same. The first thing that you need to do is to restart your device. If you are using your phone or laptop, just turn it off, then to turn it back on. It should be helpful. If it didn't help you, you need to try charging your headphones up to 100%. This may be the issue. Discharged headphones. So, you need to plug your headphones to the power outlet for, I'd say, 2 hours, maybe 3. I know that they should charge, of course, quicker, but you know, we can charge it above, beyond, etc. This 100%. Of course, you can't charge your headphones more than 100%, but we need to be 100% sure, and it's better to let them sleep for a moment. So, if it didn't help you, if this charging process didn't help you, you need to go even further. You need to perform a factory reset. How to do it? You need to find the power button and click it once so that you will see if your headphones are turned on. If they are, hold your button for a few seconds to turn it off. Now, when your headphones are turned off, you need to hold your button, the power button, for 10 to 15 seconds till they are factory resetted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Factory reset, I think, not resetted, but that doesn't matter right now. Now everything should be fine. If it's not fine still, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed, or try connecting your headphones to a different source to check if they work there. If they work there but not on your phone, your phone is at fault and you need to fix your phone. However, if it doesn't work everywhere, you need to contact the device support, as I said. Goodbye.